Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about the Colourpop X Becky G collection. If you don't know, Becky G is a pop star in the Latin world. I really don't listen to her music. I do think she's beautiful and I've seen her on a couple shows that I watch, and she is a great singer, and she did team up with Colourpop to come out with a collaboration called Salvaje. Salvaje means save me in Spanish. This is the palette right here. It is an absolutely beautiful palette. Definitely Hispanic culture. I love that this right here basically looks like Mexican art, which is absolutely beautiful. I am a Puerto Rican girl here. I'm not Mexican, but this does represent all Hispanic culture, and I love that. I love that there are red tones, brown tones, some blues in there. This definitely represents the Latin American culture, and I love this palette. I will get into my feelings and thoughts about this palette, but the cohesiveness of it and the colors are absolutely beautiful. Also on this collaboration, she came out with two highlighters, one in the name Princesa, which is a white highlighter, and the other one is Chisme, which is a golden highlighter. And lastly, she came out with 5 liquid lips with them, and these are all ultra satin matte, which is, like I said and like you will hear throughout this video, one of the best formulas that Colourpop has. It is matte, but it doesn't dry down ultra matte, which is great because it doesn't dry down, doesn't crack on your lips, doesn't make your lip feel chapped, especially if you have dry lips issue. This is absolutely beautiful, and I love all the colors that she came out with. I'm gonna go ahead and check how much this retails for on their website, but I believe it was around $55. We're about to find out. And everything in this collection is all Hispanic words used into it. So I bought the whole collection, which retailed for $58, and I'm sure if you bought with the box, it was a little more of the PR box. But the shades here in this collaboration is Luna. Oh, I hit it again. So Luna, Cafecito, Estrella, Celosa, Malbec, Patrona, Vibra, Sirena, Corona, Sangria, Caramelo, y Lola. And these are absolutely beautiful. Wow, I hit that. And I did do a tutorial with this palette, the lip products, and the highlighter. So if you guys want to see how this works and you want to know my final thoughts on this collaboration, you should continue watching. Continue watching, guys. Alright guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Let's get right into it. I'm going to go ahead and take my paint pot and prime my eyes. I'm going to go ahead and just start with this tutorial. To start off, we're going to go ahead into the Salvaje palette by Becky G and Colourpop. I'm going to go ahead and take the shade Caramelo right here and put that in the crease. Next, I'm going to move on to the shade Malbec in the palette, which is more of a lighter burgundy than this burgundy right here. I'm going to put that right below that crease color that I just put on. I'm going to go back into that shade Caramelo and use the same brush. I'm going to dip into it lightly and blend out the outer edges. I'm going to go into the shade Cafecito right here, which is a brown shade. Cafecito means like coffee in the Spanish language. And I'm going to put that on the outer corner. Next, I'm going to take the shade Celosa, which is right here. It has a pinkish orangey undertone. Celosa in the Spanish language means jealous. I'm going to take that same brush that I used Cafecito on with no more product, and I'm just going to blend this all in together. And then I'm going to take Melbic, that same burgundy shade, and put it on my under my eyeliner, basically to line my eyes. I'm going to take the Presenza highlighter, and I'm going to use that in my inner corners and brow bone. I do know this shade is a little too light for me. It has a little bit of a pinky undertone, so I might do that a little bit into my cheeks, but let's see how it looks right now. I'm going to go ahead and zoom out to put some highlighter right there. The other highlighter shade that comes in this collaboration is Chisme. Chisme means you like to talk a lot of business. And I'm not talking about business as in you're a business person. I'm talking about as you're gossiping a lot. And a lot of Spanish women like chisme. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight my... Oh, this is absolutely a beautiful highlight shade. Okay. I'm going to remove the setting powder out of my face. And I'm going to set my face. And then we will go ahead and move on to lips. Alright guys, so we're gonna move on to lips. She has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lip. This one I had already used, so that's why it's not in the packaging. I'm gonna go ahead and choose one that I want to use. Use this color, love it. I want to go ahead and use a different color, so I'm gonna pull them out the boxes. This one is delicious. Let's see, we got a couple more. She came out with a lot of lip products in this collaboration, which I love. Look at my hair, it's a mess. And they all have like a warm reddish undertone, which I love, and I get it. Hispanic women are into that. These are all the shades, and I will go ahead and swatch them all for you. Whoop, give me a second. These are the shade right here, and I think I'm going to go in with this color right here. This is Chola, which was like a name that when I was younger, oh wow, they would say that Florida girls are like that in school. They're just like Cholas. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and swatch the rest of the shades on the back of my hand so you guys can quickly see that. Ooh, that's a beautiful red. Has a bluish undertone. All those 4 shades in the back of my hand, they are absolutely beautiful. They feel very comfortable and I am digging it. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and put mascara off camera. I will return with my final thoughts on this collection. Thank you. Alright guys, for my final thoughts on this collection, the Becky G X Colourpop collection, I really like how it came out. Let me fix my camera, sorry. Okay. I love that it is affordable. It is a very Hispanic Latina collaboration and I'm digging it. I am so happy that Colourpop did collab with a Hispanic star and I absolutely love this palette. This is my 3rd time using this palette and it has not failed me yet. I will say I have not used this shade here, which I do want to. I have used this shade before. I've used all the shimmers so far. I've mostly been sticking with the shade right here, no surprise. But I really want to go ahead and dig out that look. Wow, that's beautiful. Let's see that on the hands. And I think it's absolutely worth it, especially if you want to support a Latina. For me, that's a big deal. Also for all the lips, I love that they are all ultra satin, which is to me the most comfortable wear for Colourpop. I've already used 2 shades, so I did use Chola, and then besides, not today, but I've used this before, Florid. Looks absolutely beautiful. I love that these all have orange undertones and some have bluish undertones, which is a Latina's way of expressing themselves with their lips. Latina women are very big into their lips. Trust me, I used to see my mom with a black lip liner and her lipstick going out to the club. I know that was my mom's favorite look. Anyways, for the highlighters, I did like this highlighter here for my inner corner and brow bone. It seems like it does have a pinky undertone. Let's go ahead. This is it in my hand. Ooh, that's actually wearable. And that is it swatched on my hand. It feels a little dry to the touch. It has pink and gold reflexes in it, so it looks very white, but I can see some of us getting away with it, which I like. And then this one, which is Chisme, I've tried this one before and I've absolutely been loving it. I love how it melted into my face and gave me a wet look. So I think this whole collaboration is worth it. It is a beautiful collection. I enjoy it and I hope you guys pick it up. Let me know if you like this collection and let me know if you didn't and why. I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. Thank you for watching and have a great week. Bye.